In this tutorial, we are going to answer some integration questions. So we have this first one here. It says use an appropriate substitution to evaluate the following integral. So to do that, always when you have such a question and you have ln, where you see ln here, a function. So we have the function cos, but it contains another function. So when you have another function like that, usually it's that same function that you're going to make substitution of. So you say let u be equal to ln x. Then you differentiate that, so that will be du is equal to 1 over x dx. So you are going to get that. Then now we can see from the question that the integral e, so from 1 to e, you have, so here when I replace cos, I have cos, then ln of x. So I can write this is multiplying, of course, with 1 over x dx. And I know here I can replace 1 over x dx with du, and this will be like this. It's going to be cos. So where there's ln x, I replace with u, and that other part I replace with du. So when I integrate cos u, I just get, so when I integrate cos u, I get sine u. So then 1 to e, like that. At this stage, I can replace back my u, which is just ln of x. So this is going to be sine ln of x, like that. Then 1 to e. Then I can replace that where there's x with those values, and I get sine ln of e minus sine, so this will be minus sine ln of 1. So ln of e is just 1, so here I'll have sine 1. Then ln of 1 is 0, so I'll just have sine 0. Then sine 0 is just 0, so I'll remain with sine 1 minus 0 will just give me sine 1. So here this is going to be my final answer. Now let's do the next one. The next one says use partial fraction decomposition to evaluate the following integral. So we must use partial fractions. So we have this here, so we can decompose this. Okay, so how do we decompose that? We'll say it has to be like this. Since they are linear, we see what's in the bottom is linear. You can bring 1 here, then plus b, then you say the other one comes there. Then here you solve this, you make this into a single fraction, and single fraction, of course, will have x minus 3 and x plus 3 as common factors. When x minus 3 divides into there, we just remain with a multiplied by x plus 3, and the other way around, the other one is going to be x minus 3. Then I can see with this other one here on this side, x minus 3 and x plus 3, that these here, they have the same denominator, so I just equate the numerator, and I'll get 1 is equal to a x plus 3 and b, like that, x minus 3. At this stage, I will say let x equal to, so x equal to 3. So when x is 3, this part here will become 0, and I just remain with 1 equal to 6a. That means my a is going to be 1 over 6. When I do the same when x is negative 3, I'll just get that b is going to be negative 1 over 6. So now I can replace that here on top, and I'll just get that will be equal to, so I'll have 1 over 6 x minus 3, then I'll have plus b, okay, plus, so that will be minus, because of the negative sign, minus 1 over 6 x plus 3. So I get those there. Now after getting that, I will introduce, of course, the integral, because we have an integral there. In our question, we have to integrate. So we have an integral here, dx, like this. So meaning this side also has to have an integral dx, like that. So this is going to be, so since I have that integral and I can distribute the integral over that, I'll have the integral of 1 over 6x minus 3, like that, then dx minus 1 over 6x plus 3, like that, dx. So here what I would do is I can move my 1 over 6 like this in front, and I remain with 1 over x minus 3 dx minus the integral. So even here, 1 over 6, I can move it in front, then I have 1 over x plus 3 dx. So now what I do at this stage, I have 1 over a linear, what's this, like this, even the other one, it's plus. So I'll say let this in the bottom equal to u. So if I have 1 over u like this, 1 over u. So the integral of 1 over u is just what? ln of u. But when I place my u, I've said my u is x minus 1, so I have ln of x minus 3, like this. So which means here when I integrate, whatever I integrate here will just be ln of whatever that is in the denominator. So this is going to lead us to having, this is just going to lead us to having, so that is going to be equal to 1 over 6, like that. Then we have ln of x minus 3, like that, then minus 1 over 6 ln of x plus 3, then plus c. Here I can factor out 1 over 6 like this, then I'll remain with ln of x minus 3, then minus ln of x plus 3, like that, then plus c. This is going to be 1 over 6. So by laws of logarithms, here what I can do when I have a minus there, it's going to be the same as, so if I have ln of u minus ln of v, this is equal to ln outside u divided by v. So I'll just write this in that form. So that is going to be ln, like that, then x minus 3 over x plus 3, like that, and plus c. So now I have integrated that according to what I was asked for. If you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe and like this video.